You can start now.
So, good afternoon, everyone. My presentation topic is a 3D Internet, guided by Professor Pankaj Dhruve sir. So, the contents: introduction, literature survey, and the application. So, first is a introduction. 3D Internet. 3D Internet it is also known as it is one of the most important technology. World is looking forward to. It is also known as a virtual world. It's a new way for you to reach the consumers, co-worker, customers, and the student. It combines the immediacy of a television, the versatile content of the web, and the relationship building the strength of the social networking sites like Facebook, Instagram, etc. One of the best feature of the 3D internet is it also support the 3D internet TV. Now the Sony is thinking to launch the new technology for a 3D TV, that is a internet TV for a Wi-Fi. In a such TVs, internet connectivity will be built up in a TV via Wi-Fi. And the most one of the best advantage is that the 3D films cannot be pirated. Pirated, so a big gain for the movie industry because the people will not lose the money through the illegal internet downloads. Then the 3D product modeling 3D product modeling, it is also known as a product visualization. It is the act of using a rendering images and the artwork to visually communicate with your product to customers. If we see today, many companies do this by enabling their e-commerce websites with a visual product software. Through this method, customer can see the picture of a product while they are completing their orders online. If we see the 3D modeling uses in a practices like a home or architecture, industrial design, medical industry, in a 3D game industry. Also, the 3D product services are available for the homes, industrial complexes, bridges, and all over the small scales, large scales construction 3D projects. It is also 3D modeling is used in a medical sector. It is the best use of the medical sector is that to create critical items such as a medical equipment, devices, etc. And once you have a 3D model, you can use this software as a viewers to see the details of the patients or any human. Next is the 3D virtual shops or a mall. 3D virtual shops or a mall is the best platform for the people. It allows the user to buy and shop on their computer, having to leave the home. In a 3D virtual shops or mall technology, customer uses the video of themselves on a monitor or a TV to enhance the shopping experiences very realistic in a HD. Online shopping's high quality visuals are used to provide the customer with maximum visual information in a digital camera that produces the high definition in HD photos. Like a Pixel 1902 into 10880 as a size of the pixel should be used to showcase the product on the websites. So the it also the benefits of a retailer also shoppers. Retailer reduce the need for staffs on a floor and also benefit for shoppers. It save the shoppers time from having to physically go to store to try out the products, and it also secure at a home. In a 3D virtual shops or malls, many of the company uses the 3D banners ads. So the 3D banners or ads enables the user to interact with an images or a product inside the display in a real time. So the user can usually spin and move in some cases, customize a product with the ad. Banner advertising refers to the use of a rectangular graphic display. Means here is a rectangular graphic it use that that stretches across the top bottom, mean three sides of the top bottom, or sides of the websites or online media property. Benefits of a virtual shopping is increase the convenience, interaction with the current clients, then instant feedback, keep up with everyone else. Virtual shopping works full times, means 24 hours. It works. And thank you.